As an MBA graduate, you will undertake diverse projects, including visual marketing campaigns on various digital platforms. Gaining proficiency in Adobe graphic design tools offers a crucial career advantage and is essential for marketing professionals. Join our hands-on workshops, guided by experts, where you learn to use Adobe Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, Blender tools to create visually compelling content that resonates with your target customer. This workshop provides you with the theoretical and practical skills necessary to bring your creative ideas to life. You'll build a portfolio of designs for packaging, social media advertising, publications, websites, and branding, led by experienced faculty who are active in the creative industry. This workshop equips you with the latest industry-specific knowledge and skills, enhancing your resume and advancing your career credentials. Call us to book your spot today.